Right now, we have a tropical disturbance over the Bahamas that could bring us some very heavy rain over the next 2 days. And we have a new tropical depression out in the Atlantic. Storm Team 5 meteorologist Glenn Glazer has the latest on both. Hey, Glenn.
Good afternoon, Holly. Yeah, let me show you what's going on. We have two things, as Holly just mentioned. We're talking about this area of low pressure over the Bahamas that will track across South Florida over the next couple of days. And this way out here, we'll get to that in just a moment. I want to show you a close-up view here. That little spin in the atmosphere there, a lot of rainfall here, and all of that moving toward the west-southwest. And we do expect some heavy rainfall from this over the next couple of days. As we move back out to the east, this is our new tropical depression. It is tropical depression number 6, and most likely will become tropical storm or even Hurricane Edouard over the next 5 to 7 days. Winds at 35, moving northwest at 13, and the track keeps this one in what we call a fish storm. Not bothering anybody but the fish. Staying out in the ocean, turning up to the north here, coming, well, a little close to Bermuda, but staying to the east of Bermuda. Okay.